Hello and welcome to Prof Daily, the channel that's bringing you your hottest news. So, Ayanda Buruto, as we know her as Usphumelele Isibaya, has paid moving tribute to veteran Menzi Ngubane. In the wake of news that Menzi Ngubane is leaving popular telenovela Isibaya, fans and fellow actors have flooded with farewell messages in his honor. The fellow actress and author Ayanda Buruto penned a moving tribute to the star. She wrote, "I didn't know where to start. I will miss you when you call me my clan name every single time you saw me on set. You would also ask to be taken to my location so you can just say that. You would hug me, say, my sister, I am going back now. I just came here to see you." Ayanda wrote. She thanked Menzi Ngubane for being a genuine brother in the industry where betrayal was a norm. "You bowed out in true Ngubane style, and King Ndombane was not just a warrior, just a creative genius. Thank you for being a brother in the industry where betrayal is a norm. You bowed out in true Ngubane style. We've got this." Actress Gugu Ngubane also poured her heart out and reflected on the first time she met on Menzi on set. "I was nervous wreck. Bongi Mlotshwa told Menzi Ngubane about me. When I started acting, my nerves were showing on screen. After my scene, she told me to go to Menzi's room immediately. He welcomed me with a warm hand, and that literally brought me peace. We spoke about our love and passion for drama and why we do what we do. Since then, I stood up, soldiered on, and followed the AD to set." Sisbongi told her that when she was busy with her scene, Menzi went to the makeup room and watched her from the screen with pride. "He smiled and said, 'That's it.' Tears are streaming down my cheeks because that moment was unexplainable," she added. So yes, guys, they actually flooded messages of tribute to the veteran star Menzi Ngubane as she bows off Isibaya. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm out till next time.